Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology Azure SQL DBA for the company UST. The location is Bangalore. The roles and responsibilities are MS SQL 2005 to 2015 onwards, in-depth technical knowledge of the following. SQL query and worldwide performance tuning and troubleshooting is required. High availability of using SQL, always on availability group and failover clustering instance is required. The second technology is Azure SQL DBA for the company Techwave. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. They are looking for a 7+ years of experience candidate. The location is Hyderabad. The roles and responsibilities are expert experience of Azure SQL DBA and Azure SQL, expert knowledge of SQL Server in VM installed and Azure SQL and Azure Managed Instance, and managing DB availability and performance, inclusive of problem ownership and resolution is required. The third technology is Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration, Database Administrator. For the company Accenture, the location is Hyderabad. They are looking for 2 to 4 years of experience candidate. The work location is Hyderabad. Must-have skills are Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration. Good to have skills are Microsoft Azure Database Infrastructures. And the roles and responsibilities are advisor, developer, test and demonstrate database in 24/7 environment performance. Many related database functions is required. Minimum 4 years of continuous education is required, like BE, BTech, or MCA is mandatory. The fourth technology is Microsoft Azure SQL DBA. The company is Stavtar. The location is Bangalore. The responsibilities are managing and monitoring Azure SQL DBA and instance, creating and configuring, maintaining backups and disaster recovery plans, and managing security, including creating and managing user roles and permissions is required. And the required qualifications are BE degree and equal experience, like 5+ years is mandatory. The fifth technology is senior consultant development with skills AWS DBA. For the company Infogain India Private Limited, the location is Haryana. The roles and responsibilities are 8+ years of experience as Oracle DBA, very throughout the clear and understanding of Oracle database architecture is required, including the latest version of Oracle. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.